Lie on a flat bench with your eyes directly under the bar. Ensure the bar is positioned over the middle of your chest. Grab the bar with a grip slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lift the bar off the rack and position it directly above your chest with your arms fully extended. Your elbows should be slightly bent, and the bar should be in line with your eyes. Inhale and slowly lower the bar to your chest. Control the descent and aim to bring the bar to the mid-chest area. Keep your elbows at around a 90-degree angle and ensure your wrists stay straight, not bent backward. Exhale and press the bar back up to the starting position. Focus on using your chest and triceps to push the bar. Fully extend your arms at the top, but avoid locking out your elbows completely to maintain tension in the muscles. Adjust the incline bench to an angle of around 15 to 30 degrees. Lie back on the bench, positioning your eyes under the bar. Grasp the barbell with a grip slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Your palms should be facing away from you. Lift the bar off the rack and position it directly above your upper chest with your arms fully extended. Inhale and slowly lower the bar to the upper part of your chest. Control the descent, aiming for the area just below your collarbone. Keep your elbows at around a 90-degree angle and ensure your wrists stay straight, not bent backward. Exhale and press the bar back up to the starting position. Focus on using your upper chest and triceps to push the bar. Fully extend your arms at the top without locking out your elbows completely to maintain tension in the muscles. Start with the dumbbells directly above your chest, arms extended, and palms facing each other. Hold the dumbbells with a slight bend in your elbows. Your wrists should be in a neutral position. Inhale, and with a slight bend in your elbows, lower the dumbbells to the sides. Open your arms wide, feeling a stretch in your chest. Lower the dumbbells until your chest feels a gentle stretch. Be cautious not to overextend or let your elbows drop below shoulder level. Exhale and use your chest muscles to bring the dumbbells back to the starting position. Imagine hugging a large tree as you bring the weights together. Throughout the movement, maintain a slight bend in your elbows to keep tension on the chest muscles and prevent excessive strain on the shoulder joints. Sit at a lat pull-down machine and adjust the knee pads to secure your legs. Choose an appropriate weight and attach a wide bar or handle to the cable. Grasp the bar with a wide overhand grip, palms facing away from you, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your back straight, chest up, and shoulders down. Engage your core for stability. Inhale and pull the bar down towards your upper chest, bringing your elbows down and back. Focus on using your lats to initiate and control the movement. At the bottom of the movement, squeeze your shoulder blades together to fully engage the lats. The bar should be close to, but not touching your chest. Exhale and slowly release the bar, allowing it to return to the starting position. Keep control throughout the entire range of motion. Position an adjustable cable machine at chest height. Attach a straight or wide grip bar to the cable. Set up an elevated platform or bench in front of the cable machine. Stand on the elevated platform with your feet shoulder width apart. Grasp the cable attachment with both hands using an overhand grip, palms facing down. Step back slightly to create tension in the cable. Hinge at your hips to create a slight forward lean. Maintain a straight back and engage your core for stability. Inhale and pull the bar towards your upper abdomen by retracting your shoulder blades. Keep your elbows close to your body and aim to squeeze your shoulder blades together at the end of the movement. Lower the bar back to the starting position with controlled movement, fully extending your arms. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a barbell with an overhand grip. Choose a grip slightly wider than shoulder width, keeping your back straight and chest up. Your torso should be roughly parallel to the ground. Keep your neck in a neutral position and ensure your spine is in a natural. Inhale, engage your core and pull the barbell toward your lower chest. Focus on retracting your shoulder blades as you lift the bar. Keep your elbows close to your body during the lift. At the top of the movement, squeeze your back muscles and pause for a moment to maximize contraction. Exhale and lower the barbell back down with controlled movement, fully extending your arms. Lie down on your back on a mat with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head with your elbows pointing out to the sides. Lift your head, neck, and shoulders off the mat by contracting your abdominal muscles. Your lower back should remain in contact with the mat. Avoid pulling on your head with your hands. Your hands are there for support, not to lift your upper body. Aim to bring your chest towards your knees, creating a crunch in your abdominal muscles. Slowly lower your upper body back to the starting position, allowing your back to remain in contact with the mat. Hold the handles of the wheel with both hands, placing the wheel on the ground directly in front of your knees. Position your hands shoulder width apart on the handles of the wheel. Your arms should be fully extended, and your wrists should be in a neutral position. Brace your core muscles by drawing your navel toward your spine. While keeping your core engaged and maintaining a straight line from your head to your knees, slowly roll the wheel forward. Extend your arms as far as you can without allowing your lower back to sag. Ideally, you want to extend your body into a straight line. Hold the extended position for a moment, feeling the tension in your core muscles.